and
9. Come learn with us.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Applebun.
Hi, Miss Applebun.
So can anyone tell me how to know if it's divisible by 3? Jerome?
You know if it's divisible by 3 if it ends in an odd number.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Brianna?
You know it's divisible by 3 if the sum of the number is on the multiplication table.
Right, so if you look on 3 and it's there, that means it's divisible by 3. So who could tell me how to know if it's divisible by 6? Brianna?
You know if it's divisible by 6 if it ends in an even number.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Jerome?
You know if you do the same thing as 3 and then it has to be an even number.
Right, so can anyone tell me how to know if it's divisible by 9? Jerome?
You look on the multiplication table and on 9, and if it's there, then it's right.
No. Brianna?
It's the same thing as 3, but instead you look on the 9 multiplication table.
Right, everyone, you did great today. I hope you got